వెల్కమ్ టు T1 ఫ్యాషన్ అండ్ ఈరోజు మనం నాంపల్లిలో జరుగుతున్న ఎగ్జిబిషన్లో ఉన్నాం. దీన్ని ఆల్రెడీ చూసాం సత్యసాయి నిగమంలో. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good. I think you come to exhibitions a lot.
Yeah, and this is like here I have all new collection. You can just have a look. I'll start with the seated jewelry.
Yes.
So today, friends, again I'm back here with all seated jewelries. Like I have starting from 250 studs, small earrings, long earrings. So the AD and all quality and all goes really good. You can just have a look once. So there's more and more collection. The price range is starting from 250. Even the Kundan earrings, you can just have a look. The smaller ones are for 250. Have a look at this one. I'll just open a piece and show you. The look of it is very elegant and different. Like when you wear it, 100% you're gonna get different compliments for it. These one would cost you around 1200 friends. And now I'm going to show you all different seated stone earrings, something like what I'm wearing. Just have a look. Like these ones completely goes on to the contrast or something. Even it would work out with the same color outfit also. So I have come with all new collection. You can just have a look at this set also. The price range would start from 1000 to 3000. Even this comes with very elegant and very subtle earrings. You can just see the finishing, guys. Like, this is like all time ready for the wedding season. Even Diwali is on. So friends, don't waste the time. You can give a call anytime. My number is 93910 This is one of the rare collection. So I have different shades onto black too. My number is already given onto the description box. Please do check and WhatsApp me if you like any of the pictures. Just have a look at this beautiful, very elegant and pretty sober set. Even this comes on to different color combinations, like you'll get pink, red, blue, green. Even this comes with very cute and sober earrings, very subtle earrings. You can even go for the Kundan necklaces and all. This is one of the Kundan necklace. So the quality and all goes really good. Polish and all also we give lifetime guarantee, guys. Don't miss the chance. Do grab the opportunity. Like prices and all also, everything is on discount. Just WhatsApp me, ping me for the prices. Now have a look at this set, guys. This is completely onto a glass finish, like very different look, works out with sari, dresses, anything, any outfit would work out. Even this comes out with earrings. If you like anything fashionable, very trendy and classy, you can just go up for the set. So now guys, there's Teach tomorrow. So you can even opt for these beautiful, elegant kadas. It's completely onto 3D base.
And these days, unique bangles are always
in
need because
exactly.
everybody wants to look different, and Lord Krishna is trending because of Kartikeya.
Very true,
And you can see the Krishna and Radha, and this is very amazing app for
and it's
Diwali.
actually onto 3D effects. If you can see, like it's completely onto 3D.
And
So
Diwali,
you
this
get
is the perfect thing.
Very true.
A boyfriend can actually gift a girlfriend. Not
Even
only
tomorrow, as it's Karwa Chauth also, many ladies would go for this thing. Very elegant.
bhaiyas
set.
can also buy for their sisters and mothers.
For the Baidooj and all, you can even gift it to your sisters. There are different patterns onto this. You'll get different designs. So the
peacock is anyway will never go out of the trend.
Out of trend actually. And now
There is also a unique, this is also the trending motif because of the kalamkari, pen kalamkari, saris are so much in trend.
yeah, it works out with all the saris and all, like silk saris, kalamkari saris. It's all
And
onto
that too
lotus
in a very
design.
unique green. Usually everything is seen in pinks or reds, but this has a green lotus
Yeah,
with nice.
a very rare combination.
You can also pair it with a different jhumkas, I think, because you have a
Yeah.
different collection of jhumkas.
Jhumkis and
You know.
all, yeah.
Look at this is all the Kundan collection, which can go along with mix and match with the different neck pieces that she already have. And I really love this. I think this can go with any dress.
Yeah, that's Navratan, no? So works
Yeah.
out with everything. You'll get different designs onto Navratan too. Navratan works out like you can wear it onto any color combination, works out with any dress.
You can actually look at her own set that she's wearing. She wore a basic green top, but with that jewellery, it really is enhancing her look. And she wore a contrast color on the green, which is maroonish and with Caesar diamonds. Look at the way, it's a simple dress, but yet she's ready for the party and for Diwali with just a bracelet on her hand and an amazing necklace with earrings. She's so sober and elite. And that's how you actually pair. And coming to this earrings, could you please explain? I really love this one actually.
So these ones are Jadavi earrings. So this one comes on to 22 karat gold plating. 22 karat gold plating it is. You can even make it check with the jewelers also. And polish and all guys, I give lifetime guarantee for the polish. Full elegant earrings guys. It comes on to 22 karat gold plating, completely Jadavi with real pearls. We even customize. If you want onto pure silver, we can make it done onto silver. Even this piece, like it's completely a paperweight thing. You won't even feel like what you're carrying such a heavier earring. So we have color option also onto this.
Wow,
So-
look at that. It has always amazing different colors. Goes well with any dress, any sari, any ghagra event. It can be engagement or a karwa chauth, and the season is coming, guys.
If you want to look different guys, go for the earring. So friends, now I would show you a kanti which is very elegant and very classy. Just have a look at the piece friends. Super amazing with very good quality kundan stones and pearls. It even comes with pumpkin beads, peacocks. You can just feel the finishing guys, like it's super amazing. Do ping me if you like any of the pieces. Now friends, this is kanti which can be separated with the pendant too. Like you can wear the pendant separate, kanti separate, pendant with locket, pendant with earrings. The pendant is onto moissanite. For a different look, you can even go for this very beautiful and elegant.
So the pen
Set.
can be separated
Exactly.
and only the kanti can be worn.
Yeah, you can wear a kanti, you can wear the complete set if you're going for an heavier party or something. You can wear the complete set the way it is. If you want little subtle, wear it into 3 ways. Just kanti, pendant with chain, or else even you can just put the pendants onto something like these malas. You can just put the pendant onto these malas like pearl mala, pumpkin malas, anything would work out guys. That's up to your customization. Even we customize accordingly. Have a look at this very elegant and unique piece which is onto an antique finish. So in this also you get very different color options and very different designs guys. Do check it out. Just WhatsApp me for more pictures. So guys, now have a look at this very beautiful and very elegant piece which is onto Bharat. You can just see the elephants, Bharat, complete unique design which would give you a gold look. These ones can be worn onto Indo-Western too. Showing you, it's very sober, works out onto kitty parties. Like even though you're coming out for the what you call exhibitions and all, these pieces, like you know, it goes really well. 100% you're gonna get compliments for such pieces. Very different and very unique. Usually this is in rare piece, like it's in nut, Maharashtrian style nut, which you don't get anywhere. We have boar, nut and all. Like all different designs you'll get here. These nuts can be worn onto the ear too. Now I'm gonna show you these beads which can be customized accordingly. You can make a earring out of it. You can put it inside the Mangal Sutra and all, like very trendy meenakari, very classy pieces. These ones are nose rings, very elegant and very beautiful.
Because this Panni Selvan came, and this is a trending thing right now, where Aishwarya Rai wore the neckpiece and heavy. Every accessory has actually pearls and all this big nose pieces as well.
So friends, this is one more last piece which I wanted to show you. It's mango design, like a rare collection but still like very common, like which many people love to wear. Usually Telugus, I've seen many Telugus asking for mangoes and all. So would like to share the pattern with you. Please do visit the exhibition or else do call me, like if you want more pieces of this. And my name is Pooja. My facial's name is Dipasha Art Jewelry. My number is already has been given onto the description box. Please do message, guys. So friends, please do subscribe T1 Fashion. Do comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.